Strategic Business Management is one of the advanced level exam of ICAEW. It's a very interesting course which include a detailed application skill expected from the students. In this exam, students are given with 2 questions which require application skill relating to multiple subjects. In order to attempt the exam paper of Strategic Business Management, a student need to have good skills on financial management, on financial accounting, on cost accounting, on audit and assurance, and business leadership topics. When I teach this course, I teach it in such a comprehensive approach that we cover all of these topics in much detail. See, when we talk about this exam, the examiner is not interested in your basic theoretical knowledge, because those students who are attempting this exam of Strategic Business Management of advanced level, they have either passed their ACCA qualification or their CA qualification, or if they are coming from ICAEW background, they have already passed their professional level exam. So the examiner has already tested your bookish knowledge. At this level, he is more interested about your application skill. It includes detailed scenarios of 7 to 8 pages which are more related towards your practical life, and the examiner tests about your application skills. Now, when I talk about my teaching methodology, it's very detailed and very comprehensive. When you listen about this course of Strategic Business Management, we start to feel worried that whether it passes or not. Now, the good thing is that its pass rates are more than 70%. So, majority of the students normally pass this exam in first attempt because it is more about application rather than basic theoretical knowledge. My course package is very detailed and comprehensive. We include coverage of all the topics. We revise all the topics relating to financial management, financial accounting, cost accounting, audit and assurance, and business leadership. And along with that, we also do past paper practice in our classes. And most important thing which I offer at this level also is marking and feedback facility to my students on their homeworks, assignments, and mock exams, so that the students can learn this skill of application. Along with this, we also provide a specialized learning management system which provides the course in a well-structured manner and help the student to practice their papers on the actual learning management system, which includes a proper testing system just like your actual exam paper. So if you want to pass this exam in first attempt, you can enroll in my course. You can explore this page of my website. You can look at demo lectures. You can look at the testimonials of my students. And if you want to pass it in first attempt and want to get a good score, do enroll in my course, and I hope to see you all in my upcoming course. Best of luck for your exams, and if you have any query, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you, everyone.